Hi everyone! In this video, we will translate and solve a basic percent equation. Translate and solve. 14,950 is what percent of 230? We will translate from left to right, and we will translate into math symbols. The word is translates to equal. When we have something saying what, it means we don't know. So we have to replace it with something that we can solve for, so a variable. And you can pick whatever letter you want. Let's use P for percent. Of, translated into a math symbol, means multiply, and then 230. So we have everything now translated, and we need to write it down. 14,950 is P times 230. Now to solve an equation like this, we need to find the variable and isolate it on one side of the equal sign. And so we see it's over here, and we find all of the operations with it. It's being multiplied to 230. To isolate it, we need to do the opposite to negate that. So the opposite of multiplying is dividing by 230, but you can't just do it to one side of the equal sign. You have to do it on the other side of the equation to keep it balanced. 230 divided by 230 is 1, or cancels out, leaving us with P. And then 14,950 divided by 230 in my calculator gives me 65. Now we need to interpret what we just found. We were looking for a percent. So we need to change this number that we just found to a percent. To do that, we take the decimal, which since we don't have one, we put it at the very end, and move it 2 place values to the right and fill it in with zeros. So this makes it 6,500% of 230. And if you want to go back and just make sure that you did it right, it's asking 230, and then we want a percent that is going to give us something dramatically bigger. So the percent's going to be much bigger than the original number, the 230. If we were looking for, let's say, 50%, then we know that it's going to be much smaller because 50% is half of 230. And since this number, 14,950, is dramatically larger than 230, our percent is going to be a large percent. So this makes sense, and we're all done.